Today's program focusing on Liverpool's latest confirmed signing, the club's defensive rebuild following key departures, the search for new attacking reinforcements, and the latest reported developments involving potential transfer targets as preparations continue for the new Premier League season. Liverpool have officially completed the signing of French under-21 centre-back Jérémy Jacquet from Rennes. The 20-year-old has signed a long-term contract after a deal reportedly worth an initial £55 million plus potential add-ons was agreed earlier this year before being finalised this summer. Jacquet arrives at Anfield after establishing himself as one of League One highly rated young defenders and is expected to join pre-season training once fully recovered from the shoulder injury that ended his previous campaign. His arrival gives Liverpool another central defensive option as the club reshapes its back line. Jérémy Jacquet's transfer comes after significant defensive changes at Liverpool. Ibrahima Konaté has departed the club following the expiry of his contract before joining Real Madrid, while Robertson has also left after his Liverpool contract came to an end. Those exits leave Virgil van Dijk as the senior figure in Liverpool's defence, with Jacquet expected to compete alongside the remaining centre-backs during pre-season under the club's new coaching staff. The defensive rebuild has become one of Liverpool's major priorities during this transfer window. Liverpool have also strengthened their attacking options with the arrival of Spanish winger Víctor Muñoz from Osasuna. The young forward officially joined the club at the beginning of July after reports suggested Liverpool agreed a deal worth around £34.5 million. Munoz is regarded as one of Spain's promising young wide players and provides additional depth in attack following the departure of Mohamed Salah. The club will now assess how quickly the winger adapts during pre-season ahead of the Premier League campaign. Attention also remains on Liverpool's pursuit of further attacking reinforcements. Reports continue to link the club with several wide forwards, although competition across Europe remains strong. One player previously associated with Liverpool, Bazoumana Touré of Hoffenheim, now appears increasingly likely to join Newcastle United instead. Reports suggest Newcastle have agreed a package worth approximately £43 million, meaning Liverpool may have to focus on alternative targets if the move is completed. No agreement involving Liverpool has been announced. Transfer speculation continues around Liverpool's remaining business before the window closes. Various reports have linked the club with additional midfield and attacking options, but no further official arrivals have been confirmed as of this morning. Liverpool's recruitment team continues to evaluate the squad after several experienced departures, and the club is expected to remain active throughout the remainder of the transfer window as opportunities arise. At this stage, the club has not confirmed negotiations for any additional signings beyond the players already announced. Liverpool's current summer business therefore includes the confirmed arrivals of Jérémy Jacquet and Víctor Muñoz, while the departures of Mohamed Salah, Robertson, and Ibrahima Konaté mark the beginning of a significant squad transition. With pre-season preparations underway, attention now turns to whether Liverpool will add further attacking and midfield reinforcements before the transfer window closes, while supporters await any official announcements from Anfield in the coming weeks.